How y'all doing? So we are in the mountains of North Carolina, as you can see here. Actually, we're not. We're actually in Tyler, Texas right now. Just on this super cool homestead, and he's been building all these really cool outbuildings and everything like that. But it really does remind me of Tennessee, certain parts of Tennessee, and a little bit of North Carolina here, with just all the rolly hills, big oak trees. Look at that guy. Big old oak trees and these little like outbuildings and everything like that. It's really, really beautiful back here. But anyway, so we're doing some sawmilling for him. And actually we're milling up a new species of wood that we've actually never messed around with. And that is, we already milled up our first log and it went really, really well. We milled up some 1x6s. And spin you around here. He wants this whole pile of logs milled up for him right here. So all little small stuff. He has some pin oak, some gum, possibly a different variety of, I call them trash tree, but anyway. But these are gum too, these big ones over here. And then he has a whole nother pile over there. Really exciting. And this is just a really beautiful place to work at. Just really, really gorgeous out here. Look how pretty that is. It's great. All right, so we are all done for the day. Show you what we got milled up. This was the second load. Our first load already went up. Second load of 3/4 inch thick by 6 inch wide by about 10 foot long oak boards. He's gonna actually be tearing down that structure right there, and he's going to be putting in a big pavilion type deal, all enclosed. Going to be able to fit about 50 people in it, and all AC and everything. Possibly us boys might be building that for him, so we'll see. But he's going to be lining the whole inside with the oak that we've been milling for him. We have about another 2 more days of milling for him, and these are all the logs that we have to get done. But for now, we have to bring the mill back home and tweak a couple things on it, and there's going to be some rougher weather coming in. But anyway, y'all, if you are in the Northeast Texas area, you want some mobile milling, sawmilling done, and you got some trees down, you can give us a holler. Just email us at countrytexasboys@gmail.com, and we would love to see if we could help y'all out. But anyway, if you want to support the channel, you can go over to TheTexasBoys.com, and we have all types of goodies over there, from non-vaccinated honey to amazing coffee and all types of awesome stuff over there. So love y'all so much, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye. So this is the barn that he's storing all the wood in. I'll pop that open. All right. As you can see, here's all the wood we milled up for him. All of this, well, and there's still that gigantic stack of like 50 on the trailer, and all of this. Yep. Not this stuff. Not this stuff back here. Just this stack right here. That stack and all that right there. So, yeah, perfect place to store it in this old barn here. Super sweet. So, there you go.